Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2007 Honda Odyssey, doing some rear pads and rotors. You will need a 12mm for the caliper bolts, 17mm for the bracket bolts, number 1 Phillips head screwdriver for this, a hammer, likely some rust penetrant, some tool that you use to compress the caliper back in. This is what I use. Flathead screwdriver to remove the pads and the clips. Little trick for this, I have a short video, I'll link it to it, and that way you can see how that is done. That's just a couple little tricks and stuff that I've used to do that. There's also some tool, what is it called? I forgot. Screw punch, something like that. Impact driver, sorry. Damn, it'll take those ones off that are really dumb. And if that doesn't work, someone's already tried to take them off, they've rounded out, you get to drill the heads off, then the rotor will come out. But that's for another video when the tools that I usually use don't work. Take your 12 off here, move the caliper up and out of the way. You can put it up here on the top with no strain to the hose. The 17 on the back, sometimes they are an absolute bear, like they've been on there forever. The other side was that way. So you will need more than just a normal ratcheting wrench. You'll need something with some leverage to be able to bust those loose. There's Loctite on there and they can be bare sometimes. Once that is off, the little clips, you do have to pay attention to the clips. They only go on one way. Bam. Alright, so you see the clip here? Got one end longer than the other. So you have to make sure, you'll see it on the bracket itself, which one it goes to. You have a short end on the bracket, and then the other side is the long end. You'll be able to see it. So just make sure that those clips go on the correct way. And I'll have a video up shortly for why certain things are done for brakes. The whys and the hows and the who's and the what's for it. What else? Oh, let me see what a typical Georgia day looks like in the season we known as hell. See all these trees? Yeah, that's our pollen season. It's just starting. Oh my god, this place will be yellow in about a week and a half. It is an absolute mess. Do not come down here if you have any kind of allergy, you're allergic to anything. This thing will just absolutely eat you alive. But that's a day in life here. That's gonna be like that for the next month. It's gonna be fun. But any questions or comments on this type of a job, please feel free to let me know.